Okay, very quickly, have you set your software pricing correctly? The reason most software companies fail is because they set the wrong price. You see, the major problem with setting your price too low is that customers just won't take your software seriously. Think about it. It impacts on the perception of how good your software actually is. If you set your price too high, well, you'll just be losing out on sales. Now, the good news is we have a solution that will help you find the correct price, and it's completely free. You see, we have developed a unique 11-step process, an 11-step quiz that will guide you and find the correct price for your software and set you up for long-term growth. You see, if you are like so many others, confused as to how to set your price, or if you're worried about losing sales, then this will definitely help. Look, you can use this with no commitments, no strings attached, but when you're finished, you will have an exact price point that will set you up, and you can use it immediately to attract more customers with confidence and sell more of your software. You have no doubt spent days, months, even years developing the software, and I know how important this is that it's successful for you. So go ahead, click the link, find out how to set your price, and finally start achieving those results you know you truly deserve.